In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset the Logitech MX Keys S. Now I have multiple ways to reset our keyboard, and the first one is going to be the easiest one, which is by physical resets. Now with the keyboard powered on, you want to press the following key combinations in order. This is going to be escape, then O, escape, then O, and then escape, then B. The lights will blink, confirming the reset. From there, we can try another method, which is to power cycle. You want to turn the keyboard off and turn it back using the switch on the side. We can also try to remove the old pairings. Now it is recommended to remove the keyboard from your computer's Bluetooth settings before pairing. So you can just simply search for Bluetooth and other devices. And from here, you then want to look for your keyboard and click on remove device. Now as my last option, which is going to be the software reset, we can also restore default settings by using the official application, which is going to be the Logitech Options Plus application. You can just search it up in Google, head over to the official website, and from there you will be able to get the application. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.